Hey, it's Bob. I've just uploaded most of my samples and presets as a separate sample pags and preset pags. Now I need a demo track. So these dub techno loops I actually made with the vocoder. Let's add reverb. Okay, I think that's it.